Well, I'm here in Bethesda, and this is a unique place. It's a place that has always had a tradition of celebrating the Welsh language with Welsh music. And what's great about this is part of the celebrations of the UNESCO Year of Indigenous Languages. It's a great occasion for us. It's an opportunity for us to share what we've done in relation to the Welsh language and to learn from others what they've done with their languages.
This is our first public event with a great singer called Jeremy Butcher from Canada of Wolastoq language, who has won all sorts of prizes because of the work that he's been doing to put his language, but also other Indigenous languages of the world on the world map. And this is his UK premiere, and where better than Bethesda, where so many of our great Welsh language musicians have come from.
I sing traditional music from my territory, but in a bit of a new way. And it's all in my language as well. That's something very, very important to me, because a lot of the work that I do and a lot of the music that I make is thinking about and talking about linguistic revitalization. We're all working on this same goal of trying to protect and preserve our languages, and I think there's so much that can be learned from being in dialogue with each other.
Performing internationally changes you as a person, it changes you as a musician, to be able to take your music and your language to an international audience who appreciate you more than anyone. It's a feel-good thing, but then it's also that sharing of culture and that kind of bringing people together and just feeling that connection. And the connection I've made with an audience on stage is really good for the soul.